When you drive a Ram, you strive for excellency. You strive for windshield wipers, cup holders, side view mirrors, and of course, wheels. Because when you drive a Ram, you want to climb up a mountain and then climb back down. Why? Because when you want to be a man, you stick your hand in the dirt. You rip bark off of trees. And you eat burgers. Because when you want to bake a ham, glaze, pineapple, 350 degrees for 2 hours, juicy. Because when you drive a Ram, you drive it because it's a Ram. Why? Because Mary had a little lamb. Introducing the all-new Ram. When you want to build a dam,